Bombs falling from the sky, sirens tearing through the night. A young boy stand alone on a tennis court holding a racket, not knowing if tomorrow will come but believing one day he will become the best in the world. This is the story of Novak Djokovic, born in chaos. Born on May 22, 1987 in Serbia, Novak did not grow up in peace. He grew up in conflict. In 1999, war reached his home. Airstrikes, explosions, fear. Families hid underground, cities fell silent. But one boy refused to stop dreaming. While others searched for safety, he searched for a way forward on a tennis court. Sometimes training with sirens in the background, sometimes under the shadow of uncertainty. This was not just childhood, this was survival. And this is where his mindset were forged, not in comfort but in chaos. A dream takes shapes. At just 4-year-old, Novak picked up a tennis racket. It did not take long for someone to notice. Jelena Jandrik. She saw something rare, something special. She told his family, "This boy has the potential to become a champion." But belief alone does not build champions. His family struggled financially. Every step forward came with sacrifices. They did not have resources, but they had faith. And sometimes that's more powerful. Leaving everything behind. To chase greatness, Novak had to leave home. A young boy in a foreign country, alone with a dream. Germany became his training ground, but along with opportunity came loneliness, pressure, doubt. Yet, quitting was never an option, because compared to war, this was nothing. The era of giants. When Novak stepped into the professional world, tennis was already ruled by legends, Roger Federer or Rafael Nadal. They were untouchable, unstoppable, and Novak, he was seen as just another challenger, an outsider. But what the world did not see was the fire inside him. The first statement. In 2008, everything changed. Novak won his first Grand Slam Australian Open. It was not just a victory, it was a warning. I am not here to compete, I am here to take over. Still, the journey was not smooth. Injuries, inconsistency, criticism. The doubt returned. Reinventing himself. Then came the turning point. Novak realized to beat the best, he had to become better than his limits. He transformed everything, his diet, his fitness, his recovery. But the real transformation happened in his mind. He mastered focus, controlled emotions, turned pressure into fuel. He did not just train harder, he trained smarter. The rise. Then came 2011, a season that refined greatness. Novak Djokovic did not just win, he dominated match after match against the best in the world. He proved one thing, he was no longer chasing legend, he was becoming the one. The mind of a champion. What makes Novak different? It's not just talent, it's what happens when everything goes wrong. Match point down, he fights. Crowd against him, he rises. Pressure at its peak, he thrives. Where others break, he becomes stronger. The battle beyond the court. His journey was not perfect. Criticism, controversies, public backlash, moment when the world turned against him. But Novak never chased approval. He chased excellence, and every setback becoming a setup for a comeback. Legacy. Today Novak Djokovic stands among the greatest. But his legacy is not just about trophies. It's about discipline, mental strength, relentless belief, from a war-torn childhood to the top of the world. This is not luck. This is what happens when mindset meets purpose. Champions are not made when life is easy. They are built when everything is falling apart. And Novak Djokovic did not just survive chaos, he mastered it. And if you want to learn or listen these type of videos, you can check out our other videos on this channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.